Craving adventure on the water without spending a fortune? We're unveiling the top 20 most affordable center console boats, ranked by price. Jump aboard!
Number 1. Carolina Skiff 162 JLS. Starting at a nap price of right around $19,000 with a 60 horsepower outboard, the Carolina Skiff 162 JLS qualifies as uber affordable. In fact, you could be paying a mere $160 or so by the month to enjoy this small but well-equipped boat. With an 18-gallon live well, 6 flush rod holders, and a swim platform with a 3-step telescopic reboarding ladder. On top of the low cost, there are a number of advantages to owning a diminutive center console like this one, including easy maintenance, very low operational costs, and, if you choose to trailer it, modest tow vehicle requirements. Number 2. Robalo R160. At an NAP under $24,000, Robalo's R160 is this builder's smallest and least expensive option. But they built the boat exactly as they build their larger, higher-cost models. The hull still enjoys the beef of Kevlar reinforcement. The fasteners and fittings are still 316-grade stainless steel. Wiring is still tinned copper with waterproof connectors, and the transom core is still poured ceramic. And note that this rig is packaged with a single-axle trailer, so you're ready to launch it and go fishing the very day you sign the dotted line. Number 3. Express XP20cc. If you want to maximize size for the dollar, the Express XP20cc will be tough to beat. At 20 feet 3 inches long and 7 feet 11 inches wide, this boat has a very large footprint for its just over $26,000 sticker price. And that sticker price gets you a ready-to-fish rig right out of the box, including a Yamaha outboard, a single-axle aluminum trailer, and some unexpected perks like a Humminbird Piranha Max 4 fish finder and a Minn Kota Riptide 46 electric trolling motor. Having an aluminum center console brings with it a serious weight advantage too, and at 1,900 pounds, this rig will make for easy hauling. On top of that, with a 45 miles per hour top end, this boat offers the fastest speeds of any competitors in this roundup. Number 4. Mako Pro Skiff 17cc. The Mako Pro Skiff 17cc earned a spot on our list of the 20 best center console boats, in part because of its easy affordability. But just what do you get for the low dollar amount? Forward and aft casting decks, an 8-gallon live well forward, and a 19-gallon live well aft, 5 vertical rod holders, a rocker switch with push-button breakers, and a 65-quart cooler seat are all included, and the package even includes a trailer. Plus, this boat is built on Mako's inverted V hull design, which delivers excellent stability and smooths out the bumps in a chop. Add it all up, and the Mako Pro Skiff 17cc isn't merely an affordable center console. It's also one that delivers an extraordinary bang for your buck. Number 5. Bayliner T18 Bay. Bayliner brought their trophy line back to life a few years ago, and the smallest in the mix is the T18 Bay, which starts right around the $30,000 mark. The best thing about this boat may be its hull, which is the M-hull design. It has a large, centered V with a smaller V on each side. This gives it an M-like shape when viewed from the front, hence the name, and it delivers better stability than a standard issue V-hull. On top of that, the T18 Bay comes packaged with a 90 horsepower Mercury 4-stroke outboard and a single-axle galvanized trailer. Number 6. Tracker Grizzly 2072cc. Tracker doesn't make many center consoles, but their Grizzly 2072cc is essentially a giant aluminum John boat with a center console and a 115 horsepower Mercury on the back. It comes with a matched trailer and doesn't get far north of the $31,000 mark. With a welded 0.10-inch aluminum hull and a 0.19-inch deck, it's as rugged as aluminum center consoles come. It's also quite roomy and has the largest footprint of the boats in this roundup, with a 21 feet 5 inches length overall and an 8 feet 3 inches beam. Highlights include twin live wells, vertical rod holders on the console, bow and stern decks with seat-base pedestal mounts, and a sure-tread, non-slip interior. Number 7. Scout 175 Sportfish. Although Scout builds plenty of much larger boats these days, they got their start with small center console models like their 175 Sportfish. Spend a day casting from one and you'll quickly realize why. Foot for foot, they run much smoother than one would expect, and they perform exceptionally well while doing so. The standard package delivers a cruise over 30 miles per hour and a top end over 40 miles per hour, while maintaining an eyebrow-raising 6.5 miles per gallon at cruise and 4.6 miles per gallon running full tilt. Added bonus, this is one of very few 17-footers that allows you to troll a spread of 4 rods from flush-mounted rod holders, includes pedestal seats at the helm, and also has jump seats in the stern. Number 8. SeaPro 172 Bay. SeaPro doesn't publish MSRP, but if you shop around, you'll see the 172 Bay ranging mostly from the mid to upper 30s. This is an incredibly popular model, and it comes with some surprisingly techy features like Simrad touchscreen electronics, an Audison audio package, and the SeaPro Connect by BoatFix. Plus, the 172 Bay offers zippy performance and brakes 40 miles per hour with just 90 horses on the transom. Number 9. Carolina Skiff 192 JLS. Carolina Skiffs doesn't publish pricing, so we don't have a hard number for the 192 JLS. But shop around, and you'll see that most sell for below the $40,000 mark, even when rigged with the maximum 140 horsepower outboard. The boat has all the angling basics, like an 18-gallon aft live well, 6 rod holders, and fore and aft casting decks. Plus, it has a few perks you might not expect to find on a budget boat, like a stainless steel steering wheel, Teleflex no-feedback steering, and a fuel separator. But one of the biggest reasons many anglers gravitate to this choice is the svelte 6-inch draft. If you enjoy fishing in the shallows, this Carolina skiff can probe backwaters and flats with the best of them. Number 10. Maycraft 1900cc. Maycraft builds straightforward boats, and the 1900cc is one of the most popular models among anglers. Max horsepower is 140 and matched with a 52-gallon fuel capacity, which means this boat has substantially more range than many fiberglass center consoles of the same size. Fishing features include a forward casting deck, a live well, and 4 stainless steel flush mount rod holders in the gunnels. This model is fairly customizable, with options for the T-top, hull color, leaning post, and more. So depending on how one's rigged out, the cost can vary a bit. That said, a 1900cc will generally be priced somewhere in the $40,000 range. Number 11. Parker 1801cc. The Parker 1801cc may be this builder's smallest model, but they build it just like their bigger boats. There's an anodized aluminum leaning post rather than a cooler seat at the helm. The hardware is all stainless steel, and the hull-to-deck joint is through-bolted. Parkers are fishing machines from bow to stern, and the 1801 has a 2-tray tackle cabinet, a 20-gallon live well, 4 flush mount rod holders, and under gunnel rod racks. MSRP is a hair over $42,000 with the stock Yamaha F115, or just over $47,000 with an F150. Number 12. Robalo R180. The smallest boat Robalo makes is the R180, but this is a beefy 18-footer, which tips the scales at 2,625 pounds and carries up to 150 horsepower on the transom. Starting around $5,000 under our price ceiling, there's room to add options, but the stock package includes critical items like a 115 horsepower outboard and a single-axle aluminum trailer with disc brakes and a swing-away tongue. Also, note that the hull has an 18-degree dead rise that helps it chop through waves. It also has very tall gunnels, so it's likely to be favored by family anglers who plan to go out in a breeze or take young children fishing. Number 13. Boston Whaler 170 Dauntless. Boston Whalers are famous for being unsinkable thanks to their fiberglass-encased foam construction, but they aren't known for being easy on the budget. And the 170 Dauntless is relatively small for its just over $41,000 price tag, which shakes out to a $345.98 monthly payment. So, why does it score higher than one might expect in the affordability category? Whalers have excellent resale value, and while your monthly payment might be a bit on the high side for a 17-footer, you'll likely get much more of your investment back in the long run. You'll also get a serious jolt of adrenaline when you push the throttle down on the 90-horse outboard and hit speeds up to 40 miles per hour. Plus, there's a serious feeling of confidence that goes with owning a boat that you know will always keep floating, no matter what. Number 14. Hurricane Center Console 19OB. If you want a center console and you also like the deck boat design, a model that delivers both is the Hurricane Center Console 19OB. Starting around a $43,000 MSRP, the Hurricane carries its beam all the way forward into the bow. This means you enjoy maximum space and seating forward of the console, and on top of that, this portion of the boat can be converted between a sun pad and a forward casting deck. There's also a slick aft casting deck design that houses a lighted live well and features drop-in backrests to turn it into additional seating. Plus, the center console 19OB has those additional deck boat features which are great for the family as well as for fishing, like a fold-away telescopic bow boarding ladder that makes it a breeze to step off onto the sand when you beach the boat, a Fusion 4-speaker Bluetooth stereo system, and a swing-back helm seat with a 100-quart cooler. Number 15. Ranger RB200. Aluminum boats generally cost a hair less than fiberglass boats in the 20-foot class. And that's one reason why Ranger can deliver the 20-foot, 10-inch long, 8-foot wide RB200 in the $45,000 range, with the max power 150 L Pro XS 4-stroke on the transom and a trailer to haul it with. This is a fully featured boat too, and it has a long list of standards, including big-ticket items that other builders often consider cost-adding options, like an 80-pound thrust Minn Kota Riptide electric trolling motor, an onboard lithium-capable battery charger, a 7-inch fish finder, and rawhide coating on the interior. Number 16. Yamaha 210 FSH Deluxe. Starting at a hair over $45,000, the Yamaha 210 FSH Deluxe is unique among its peers in a number of ways. First off, it's the only jet-powered center console in this mix. For family anglers, eliminating the presence of propellers can add peace of mind. And for performance-oriented boaters, the thrilling handling of a jet boat is a big draw. Secondly, it's the only twin-engine rig in our roundup and is powered by a pair of Yamaha TR1HO engines. Naturally, family anglers with kids who also enjoy water sports will be the likely candidates for choosing this model. Number 17. Seafox 206 Commander. Most 20-foot center consoles that offer bow seating have either a forward U-shaped seat or they split the seats to either side. But if you want a full-blown sun pad with recliner-style backrests, the Seafox 206 Commander will be a boat of interest, with an MSRP slightly over $47,000 and a monthly payment of $396.61. The bow seating on this boat is one of a kind and will put you into full relaxation mode. Packaged with a 150 horsepower outboard, it also has a number of other features that will be appreciated when the rods are left in the holders and pleasure cruises are on the agenda. A head compartment inside the console, a 12-volt outlet at the helm, jump seats at the transom, LED courtesy lights, and a telescopic boarding ladder are all on the standard features list. Number 18. Mako 21 LTS Guide Package. Coming in just under the $50,000 mark, the Mako 21 LTS Guide Package gets you into a fully loaded boat motor trailer package well within the affordability bar at $421.93 a month. And we do mean fully loaded. Big ticket items that are usually considered cost-adding options on other rigs are all included. Just check out this list of goodies. A Minn Kota Riptide Tarova 80-pound thrust electric trolling motor, a pair of Power Pole Pro Series 2 shallow water pole anchors, a Simrad NSS9 Evo 2 MFD with CMAP Insight HD mapping, an onboard 3-bank 30-amp battery charger, and a ProAir LiveWell aeration system are all aboard. If you really wanted to jazz things up, you could even upgrade the outboard from 150 to 225 horses without shattering the affordability ceiling. Number 19. Scout 195 Sportfish. Scout Boats has a reputation for building top-tier center consoles, and the 195 Sportfish allows you to step into a high-end center console that prices out just under our bar. This boat's roomier than most in our roundup because, along with the 19 feet 5 inches length, it has an 8 feet 6 inches beam, which is unusually wide for boats under 20 feet. It comes with a molded fiberglass leaning post as opposed to the more common swingback cooler seats seen on some affordable boats, and features aft jump seats plus a forward casting deck. Get it with the maximum 150 horses, and it's also quite exhilarating to run, with a cruising speed in the mid-30s and a top end that hits 49 miles per hour. Number 20. Sportsman Open 232 Center Console. If you want the biggest affordable center console possible, the Sportsman Open 232 Center Console will be a boat you need to check out. Starting at a hair over $54,000 and $455.68 per month, it's getting close to our budget cap, but at 22 feet 9 inches long and 8 feet 6 inches wide, with an 18-degree V-hull and a 103-gallon fuel capacity, this is also one of the most competent big water boats in the mix. It's a center console you'll feel comfortable running through the inlet and into the open ocean on days when the weather allows. Will handle bays and protected waterways any day of the week, and it'll put just about every species of sport fish you wish to chase within your reach.